Greetings, art learners. The purpose of this video is to show you how to create shortcuts to find Google Classroom super easy. Okay, let's get started. First thing you need to do is find a Google Beach Ball. Now you might have them all over the place. I'm going to close this so you see what that looks like. So sometimes you have, doesn't want to let me close it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's taking a minute. So you're going to find a Google Beach Ball and you're going to click it. And once you click it and it opens up, it might be that you open into a brand new tab that looks like this. But it could be that you have a whole bunch of tabs open. And so what you have to do is, if you have a whole bunch of tabs open, just click the plus button. And then you will be able to see the Google screen. Okay? So once you see the Google screen, we are then going to go to Google Classroom. There's two ways to find Google Classroom. The first way is the easiest and will work for almost all of you. You have a circle over here that's got a letter of your first name in it. Not that circle, but right next to it is what Miss Russ calls the Brady Bunch symbol, which adults will get, but you're probably like, what, Miss Russ? It's fine. We'll just call it the Brady Bunch symbol. You're going to click on it. Then you're going to go down to the one that's Google Classroom. It's got yellow on the edge and it's green, and then it's got some people in the background. Okay, you're going to click that. Now, once you're here, you're good to go. Some of you are like, oh, Ms. Russ, that didn't work for me. Okay, so I'm going to show you a different way. If you didn't have Google Classroom over here, then you're going to have maybe an adult help you, because you're going to actually have to type in Google Classroom, and then it is going to be the second one, and that's going to take you to the same place. Okay, once you're here, this is where all your Google classes are. We're going to save this as a bookmark so that you have a little bar. See how Miss Russ has this bar? That's called her bookmark bar. To get your bookmark bar, you're going to go to these three dots over here. You see those three dots? Sometimes it's like a circle with an arrow. So if you don't see the three dots, look around, because it could be what it'll look like this. When you click it, it looks like this, and then you know you're in the right spot. And it says Bookmarks. Okay? Oh, Ms. Russ, you keep being in the way. Scoot you over. So I went here and I had to click. Then I went to Bookmarks and I just hovered. I didn't have to click. And then, look at that. I have this thing that says Show Bookmarks Bar. If I unclick it, you will notice, whoa, all my bookmarks disappeared. So when I click it, then, ta-da, all my bookmarks show back up. Okay, now we got to make a bookmark. To make a bookmark, all you have to do is hit, okay, when you hit this, it will turn blue and it'll ask you, what do you want to call it? We're just going to call it classes. And then we're going to click done. And when we do that, then we will have this little special icon right there in our bookmark bar. Okay. Now, if you want to be super fancy, I'm going to show you a shortcut, a way to add a shortcut. Okay, so down here, I'm going to click a brand new tab, because why not? Let's open another tab. Okay. You have these guys called bookmarks. So if yours are all full, like see how Miss Russ, Miss Russ's bookmarks are all full. You're going to go to a bookmark, you're going to hover it over it, and you could just remove one. Okay, so if we remove one, then we have a spot, because we only get so many spots with shortcuts. We're going to add a shortcut, then it's going to ask for the name. So again, we have to just type in classes, or you could just put a C if it's hard for you to type. And then when it says URL, we have to go back a tab and we have to select all this. Now if I hover and I click once, it'll do it for me. Then on my keyboard, I have to hit the control button. It has a C and a T and an R and an L, and it's in the bottom corner. And I hold it, and then I have to find the C, like cat. Hold that. Okay, I copied it. Now I have to go over here. My little cursor is blinking at the URL spot. I have to hit the control button again, hold it, and then I have to hit the V button, as in Victor. Ta-da! And then I just hit done. And now I will have a shortcut. Oh, Miss Russ somehow screwed hers up. Let's try it again. That's okay. Maybe you're like Miss Russ. Done. Oh, can't create your... Oh, I know why. It's because I already have it right there. Anyway, with that, now you have 2 ways to easily find your Google Classes so that you can go straight into the learning. Bye!